So a couple of times I've had the Crankshaft Position Sensor OBD code come up. I forget exactly which one. It's 335 to 338 relates to that. I think the one that came up was 335. And I've noticed a 2 to 4 MPG drop in the gas mileage. And then also the harmonic balancer, where my fingertip shadow is, it is moving a little bit. It's not a smooth spin. So I am changing out the crankshaft position sensor. Pulled the old one, a 10mm bolt there. And that's all it is, the connector and the 10mm bolt. I checked the resistance on the plug, and it's reading a 0.2 ohms. So I'm thinking this thing might be bad. So here's a new one. And I'm going to see if I can do this with one hand. I already checked it myself, and it's reading 426 ohms. Much better than the old one. So let's see if I can do this with one hand so I can show you. There you go. So, going to install. Okay, tighten it down. Click. Back on. Now to test it. Started up, so that's a good sign. And the harmonic balancer is not moving anymore. I just need to drive it for a little bit to test the MPG, and I think that fixed the problem.